So you've got yourself a Google Pixel Watch and you want to change the band on it. Maybe you've got the smaller band you need to put on because your wrist is smaller, or you've got a fancy band that you want to put on here. Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to change the band on your Google Pixel Watch. So let's dive into it. So changing the band on your Google Pixel Watch is actually quite easy. The first time I did it, it was a little bit tricky, but after a couple times, it was no problem at all. So what we're looking for is a little button to release our band. So on the side with the holes in it, it sits right there. You can see it on the right-hand side, right under your dial. And for the side with the clasp here, it sits right there on the left-hand side. So one of them is down here. The other one is up there. Now what we're going to do is push that button in and we're going to slide the band towards it. So we're going to rotate the band. So let me go ahead and push that down and we're going to slide the band towards it just like that, and it's going to release. And you can take your new band, and what we're going to do to put this back on, super easy, we're going to push down the button with the band. So you go a little bit further over, push the button down with the band, and then we're going to slide it back. That's the trick, to push the button with the band. You can do the same thing on the other side here. We're going to push that button down and we're going to slide it over and it comes right off. And again, to put that one back on, we're going to push the button with the band and slide it back just like that. And it's really that simple to take off and replace your band on the Google Pixel Watch. So I hope this video was able to help you replace your bands on your Google Pixel Watch. If this video did help you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.